for joining me in my kitchen. I've got a delicious hearty cod curry recipe to share with you today. You're going to absolutely love it. You guys can also make this in Ramadan or for Eid. I've been down to my local Lidl store to buy the ingredients for today's recipe video, and they do lots of other great quality, low cost, fresh ingredients which are often used for my recipes. For the full written version of this recipe, check out the link in the description box below, and let me take you through the ingredients. Okay guys, so let me take you through the ingredients. So what you will need is 500 grams of cod fillets, 2 teaspoons of chili flakes, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 teaspoons of ground cumin, 2 teaspoons of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons of paprika powder, salt to taste. I've also got some fresh chilies and garlic, and what we'll be doing is blitzing them in my food processor, and we'll be using 3 teaspoons of chili paste and 3 teaspoons of garlic paste, 2 fresh tomatoes chopped, 300 grams of tinned tomatoes, 2 tablespoons of chopped coriander, and also we'll be using some for garnishing as well, 2 onions peeled and finely sliced, 2 spring onions chopped, juice from 1 lemon, 175 ml of water, and we'll be serving this cod curry with naan bread. Okay, first what we're going to do is marinate our cod fillets. Now, what we're going to add in there is chopped coriander, fresh chilies, fresh garlic paste, and cumin powder. Now you can find easy chili and easy garlic also in Lidl, and they do come in a jar, but you can also, use this as well. So what we're going to do is add this in first, sprinkle that over, 3 teaspoons of our garlic paste, and 3 teaspoons of the chili paste, 1 tablespoon of coriander, and we're just going to cover each fillet nicely, and then I'm going to pop this in the fridge to marinate for 20 minutes. While the fish is marinating, we're just going to finely slice the onions, and then we're going to fry them in the oil until they are lightly golden. Now, a question for you: what's your favourite Ramadan and Eid meal? Drop me a comment below, I'd love to hear from you. Okay, so we're just going to add oil to our preheated pot, and we're going to add in the onions. And we're just going to stir this in. I'm going to cook this on medium heat, and we're just going to cook this for a few minutes until they're lightly golden. So make sure you keep an eye on it and make sure that they don't burn. And while the onions are happening, I'm going to blitz 300 grams of tinned tomatoes and fresh tomatoes in a food processor. The onions are nice and golden, and now we're going to add in our blitzed tomatoes. So in that goes. And we're also going to add in the turmeric, paprika, chili flakes, the remaining coriander, a good pinch of salt, and we're just going to mix that in. We're going to let that simmer for 3 to 4 minutes on medium heat before we add in our fish. So the tomatoes and the spices have been cooking nicely. We're now going to add in our fish fillets. So in they go. And also we need to squeeze some lemon. So we're just going to use juice from 1 lemon. And this will give it that nice tangy flavour as well. So in goes the lemon juice and water. So I'm just going to gently let this carry on cooking for about 5 to 7 minutes and just gently stir it. We don't want the pieces to break. So just gently mix that in. And I can already smell it. It smells really, really nice. And let me just get a lid and we're just going to let that carry on cooking. So there you go, guys. An easy, delicious, amazing cod curry recipe for you guys to try. Check out the Lidl website for the full written version with a link down below. If you like this video, do give me a thumbs up. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button for new recipes every week. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you next time.